Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap. Today's Friday, December 13th. Happy Friday. So I took CIEN for a 5 minute opening range break up, but I was actually watching this, for a red to green move. It didn't do that. So the idea is on the daily, you can see here, look at this beautiful bullish candle, gapped up based on earnings, almost closing all the way at the high. So this is a good candidate for red to green move for continuation play the next day. Look at that volume, right? So huge volume, closing near the highs. So what the idea is of a red to green move, it opens red and then it punches through previous day close. You want to get long, set your stop somewhere on the intraday chart. Look for a good definitive stop. But today it actually just opened green. So let me show you what I saw here. So we waited for the first 5 minutes just to make sure, right? So I noticed that I had this level here of 42.77. Pre-market, it was holding that level here, as you can see, 42.77, right? So actually wanted to see this open, test previous day close. It didn't actually do that, but what it did do is, what I normally like to see when I get into swing trades is I want to see the stock clear the high of the day. So this high of the day was 42.95, as you can see. So, when this stock opened, it punched all through those levels, but I wanted to wait for the first 5 minutes. So for a 5 minute opening range, as you can see, it came, almost tested this previous day close, but it did respect that 42.77 area that I found in pre-market. Look at it, it's just holding this, right? Right when it pulled back, bounced off of it again, creating basically a double bottom, right? I knew to take this long and also cleared 42.95. I showed you the high of previous day close. So I got long, set my stop right there, and yeah, rode this on the way up. So on the way up, I took partials right here on that pop. Look at that big volume, very nice. I was just taking quarters off on the way up, and I feel like this could be a good candidate for, this could be potentially trending for the rest of the day. And I really, really wanted to get to this 44.07 level, but once the trend started breaking down here, made a new 5 minute low. I took more off. Once it broke this 5 minute low, I just got all out. So yeah, it was a really, really good trade. Just one trade, one and done day for me, and yeah, ended up being a good play. I feel like these patterns that you find for continuation plays for a possible red to green move or just basically a continuation play uh, can make explosive moves, and you have some sort of thesis going into the trade, and basically you have a bias, and at least you have something that you're working with, and you're not just winging it. So a lot of the stocks that I was actually watching actually made these moves, and let me show you. Um, Look at Chewy here, right? 3 day continuation play. Look at this beautiful orb. I mean, you could have caught this beautiful orb, gorgeous. So, yeah, man, be on the lookout for those continuation plays, guys, because they make really, really great moves. And I actually played ADBE, but this one I didn't even want to bother day trading this. So I actually got in this for a gap and go. So I got in right at the open for a swing trade. So I'm in here. Let me see what my entry is. My entry is 314.82 right now. So this one is actually working out really well. So this is another strategy that I like to play. So this is a earnings gap up, and the reason why I really, really like this one, I want you to notice this is all-time highs, guys. All-time highs. Beautiful cup handle, breakaway gap on a positive catalyst, and it was an earnings beat. So this is the beginning of a new continued uptrend where the stock is at all-time highs. So yeah, uh, these are the stocks that you want to watch. You want to watch these plays. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. Other than that, I hope everyone has a beautiful weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday.